In a school where guidance and care are treasured, teachers are honored and celebrated for the light they bring into every student's life. On October 4, 2025, Silver Hills High Secondary School marked Teachers' Day with a morning assembly led by the school cabinet members, setting the tone for a day of respect, gratitude, and joy. The program began with a soulful instrumental by the school music troupe, followed by Guru Kripa, a melodious song by the school choir that filled the hall with warmth and reverence. A graceful dance by the school dance troupe expressed heartfelt appreciation, portraying the profound influence of teachers through movement and art. This was followed by Arpanam, a touching group song presented by the PTA, offered as a musical tribute of love and admiration. The formal function featured a welcome address by Soya PP, the school chairperson, followed by the presidential address of Reverend Father Augustine K. Matthew CMI, emphasizing the selfless role of educators. Dr. S. Jayasri, chairperson of the Standing Committee for Health, acknowledged the lasting impact of teachers on society. In a complimentary speech, Dia Thomas, the school leader, conveyed the students' sincere gratitude. Felicitations by Gopesh P., PTA President, and Nila L. Manoj reflected their deep appreciation and respect for the teachers.
കുട്ടികളെ ആത്മവിശ്വാസമുള്ളവരാക്കി വളർത്തുവാൻ അവരുടെ ഇംപെർഫെക്ഷൻസിനെ സ്വർണം കൊണ്ട് വിളക്കി ആ ഇംപെർഫെക്ഷൻസിനെ മറച്ചു വെക്കാതെ അതിനെ കൂടുതൽ ജ്വലിപ്പിക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ പ്രകാശിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് പുതിയ രീതിയിലേക്ക് മാറ്റുന്ന ആർട്ട് തന്നെയാണ് യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ അധ്യാപനം. അപ്പം ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ ഈ ഒരു ആർട്ട് മാസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുന്നവരാണ്. അതത്ര എളുപ്പമല്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് ബഹുമാന്യനായ എൻ്റെ മുന്നിലിരിക്കുന്ന ഏറ്റവും ആദരണീയരായ അധ്യാപകരോട് എനിക്ക് പറയുവാനുള്ളത്, ജസ്റ്റ് മാസ്റ്റർ ദി ആർട്ട് ഓഫ് കിൻസുഗി. ബി വെരി ഗുഡ് ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്. നിങ്ങളുടെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുടെ മനസ്സിൽ മായാത്ത മുദ്രകൾ, ഓർമ്മകൾ ഏൽപ്പിക്കുവാൻ കഴിയുന്ന അതിമനോഹരമായ വ്യക്തിത്വങ്ങളായി തീരുവാൻ എൻ്റെ മുന്നിലുള്ള ബഹുമാന്യരായ അധ്യാപകർക്ക് കഴിയട്ടെ.
Dealing with Gen Z kids like us is never an easy task, yet you do it with lots of love and care. If we children are nation builders, you are the fire that lights the lamp within us. Dear friends, let us respect these milestone makers and make them proud, not just through marks, but through virtues. To all the non-teaching staff, your efforts in making this institution stand tall cannot be expressed in mere words. This school would have been incomplete without your dedication. Dear teachers, thank you for all the love and guidance.
Teachers see us more than marks or grades. They see our fears, our hopes, and even the mistakes we try to hide. And yet, they choose to guide us patiently again and again. Sometimes, it's not the big lessons that stay with us, but the small moments, the quiet words of encouragement, the caring glance when we're struggling, the gentle smile that makes a heavy day lighter. These are moments that stay with us forever, tucked quietly in our hearts. And behind all of this, there are the countless sacrifices we may never see. Teachers wake up before the world is awake, stay up long after we have gone home, and give not just their time, but their energy, their comfort, and sometimes even their personal joys. They put aside their own worries, their own rest, and their own lives so that we can grow, learn, and feel supported. They work tirelessly, often silently, and yet everything they do shapes us profoundly. Dear teachers, on this Teachers' Day, I want to say this from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Teachers are honored with a token of recognition, celebrating their unwavering dedication and invaluable contributions. Ramesh K, Staff Secretary, responded with profound thanks and sincere appreciation. The event concluded with a warm and gracious vote of thanks by Elton Joy Leroy, Deputy School Leader.
We are really role models, mentors, and we touch the heart of each and every child that come to us. And we mold them, we find them, we shape them, and contribute to the society and to the country. And apart from getting appreciations, I think we are really grateful to so many people around us. And we are indebted to our management for accepting us as the teachers here. We are all thankful to our principals for believing in us. And we are grateful to our parents for trusting us. And we are indeed thankful to our fellow teachers. And moreover, we are thankful to all the students who have taught us more than we teach them.
Today belongs to our teachers and our supporting staff, the mentors, the guides, the inspiration of our lives. You shape not just our minds, but our character and our future. And finally, to my fellow Silverites gathered here, you are the spirit of Silver Hills. Your energy, enthusiasm, and respect for your teachers made this day truly complete. With that, I once again thank each and every one of you for being part of this wonderful celebration.
The celebration continued with a vibrant array of performances by students and parents, filling the air with energy, creativity, and joy. Dances, songs, and artistic presentations showcase talent and deep respect for teachers.
लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी हो, लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी मेरे दर आई कैसे सजी धजी देखो मेरे पिया की सावरी जिया से बावरी मेरे अंगना में देखो आज खिला है चांद। लड़के और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू, प्यारा है शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू। लड़के और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू, प्यारा है शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू।
പെണ്ണേ എൻ പെണ്ണേ നിൻ ചുണ്ടിൽ സ്നേഹത്തേനുണ്ടോ പെണ്ണേ, ഓഹോ കണ്ണേ എൻ കണ്ണേ നിൻ കണ്ണിൽ നീലനിലാവുണ്ടോ കണ്ണേ.
For the last 3 periods, students took charge of the classes, giving teachers a chance to enjoy the celebrations, which was followed by a grand lunch arranged by the PTA, during which PTA members performed songs engaging the teachers. served as a poetic tribute, honoring mentors whose wisdom, patience, and care illuminate young minds, teachers whose devotion will always be cherished.